Hey everybody, guess what? Here's the deal. Did you say, what's the deal? Where's Mrs. Farley? Da-da-da! Here I am, Larry the Cucumber. Anyway, check out my math rug. How fun is that? Woo, woo, woo! Well, we learned the baby numbers already. Thank you, baby numbers. And now we're going to start learning the teenager numbers because they are so important. They think they're number one. They got to have a number one first. I'm a teenager. I'm number one. Do you know any teenager boys and girls who think they're so important? Well, if you look out here at our rug, you can see we have a 1, but Zero the hero is so important because he's saving us space. Do you see all the places where Zero the hero is right now? And we have 10 squares for our number 10. First a 1, then a 0. Now, what happens after 10? What comes next? Check out our number 11. 11, 11, 11. Oh, 1, oh, 1, I'm done. 11, 11, 11. Oh, 1, oh, 1, I'm done. 11 is made up of one group of 10. I don't have a giant 1 to put here. One group of 10. So we're going to use 2 hands because we have 10 fingers. And 1 more. See the 1 extra right here? So you hit your drum. 10 and 1 more. I don't have a drum, Mrs. Farley. You can hit your knees. You can make your own instrument. You can ask a friend or a family member. You can get an adult and say, help me do what Mrs. Farley's doing. 11, 11, 11. Oh, 1, oh, 1, I'm done. Where does it go? It has to be in its own spot. It can't just be anywhere. It has to be in the right place, right after 10, right? Okay, what's next after 11? Let's see if our disappearing 0 will help us. Dun, 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 dun. Here's 10. Dun, 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 dun. The 2 covered the 0. It's still there because that's a group of 10. One group of 10 and 2 more. 1, 2 makes, did you say 12? Did you say 12? Isn't that weird that 12 has its own name? It wants to be special. We're like, you're not too teen. First a 1, then a 2. That's a 12, that's a 12, that's a 12. I do have a giant 2 I can put over here to cover our 0. So we have a 1 and then a 2. First a 1, then a 2. That's a 12, that's a 12, that's a 12. One group of 10 and 2 more. Now you can play a game with someone and you can say, hey, guess my number. Don't tell them what it is. Did you hear one group of 10 and 2 more? Did you say 12? You can play a game with that. It's super fun. You can make your disappearing 0 cup with lots of different numbers too. What's after 12? Did you say 13? Oh my gosh, look at the pattern we're developing here. Can you see the pattern? 1, 1, 1, 1. And the second number is in order. 0, 1, 2, 3. Isn't that fun? So, I did not bring my giant 3 over here. I'm going to have to go get it for you. While you are working on one group of 10 and 3 more. 1, then a 3, that's 13. Bum, bada, bum, bum. 13. 3 extras. 1, then a 3, that's 13. Bum, bada, bum, bum. 13. You play a game with 13 while I get the giant 3. Come on, giant 3, where are you? Oh, I found it. Can you make a 3 in the air while you're waiting? How high can you count while you're waiting? One group of 10 and 3 more. 1, 2, 3. First 1, then a 3, that's 13. Bum, bada, bum, bum. 13. One group of 10 and 3 more. 13's in its own spot. Hang on, let me me get my stick. That'll help us. Here we go. Check it out. Okay, what's after 13? Well, we have a pattern. You can figure it out. 1, 1, 1, 1. I bet it'll be a 1, right? But then 1, 2, 3. What's next? Did you say 4? You're so smart. One group of 10 and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what happened over here? We're missing something. We need another one. Come on, Mrs. Farley, get us another one. There we go. One group of 10 and 4 more makes 14. Can you play a game with your family? Do this. And see if they can figure out 14. First a 1, then a 4. 14 rabbits on the floor. First a 1, then a 4. 14 hopping out the door. What do you think 15 will be? Number 15, number 15. Hey, hey, 1 and 5. One group of 10 and 5 more. 10 and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 15, number 15. Hey, hey, 1 and 5. Then what? 16, one group of 10 and 6 more. 17, one group of 10 and 7 more. 18, one group of 10 and 8 more. 19, one